What's going on, man? It's your boy Epo. I just started my YouTube series called A Day in the Life of an Independent Artist. Everybody wants to just wake up and write music and record, and that would be a perfect life. But if you want to be an independent artist and actually make money from your craft, it's a whole lot more than that. And this series is basically, I'm just going through that, the day by day, the typical grind, the daily grind for me. And I love it, but it's a lot of work, man. I wake up, I go walk my dog, then I come in and I send out about 25 emails to venues. I take a little break, chill, watch some TV, and then I send another 30 emails to people who already know about my music and already know what I do and have already probably purchased either my music, whether it's a single or an album or a t-shirt, whatever, who already know about me. I take another break and chill. You know, I chill with my girl for a little bit when she comes home from lunch, and then after that, walk my dog again, come back in. Then I reach out to people who have never really heard about me, or maybe they've heard about me, they follow me on social media, but they're pretty much ghost followers for the most part. They don't really interact with me much. They probably don't listen to my music at all. They just kind of follow me. So I reach out to them as well to try to gain new fans. Now I have a distribution deal, you know, where once I get my craft completed, I send it to the people who are over my distribution. They distribute it to all platforms. They distribute my music, they promote it for me, but everything up until that point of getting it out there, I have to do everything else myself. And although they do distribute for me, I still have to do a lot of promotion on my own. But I'm very thankful for that distribution deal that I landed last year. I still got about 5 months left on it. I'm gonna make as much use out of it as I can. My main source of income right now as a full-time artist or musician or whatever you want to call me is audio engineering. So I spend a lot of time on the computer, a lot of time on social media, direct messaging artists, see if they need any services like promotion and blog placement. I run a website called 501foe.com. So first I reach out to see if they need anything like that, blog placement, promotion. Secondly, if their tracks are good but they kind of sound a little rough, I offer them mixing services, man, and I got about 15 tracks right now sitting in my email ready to be mixed. So as of right now, that is my main source of income, man. You got to wear many hats in this game if you really want to eat, if you really want to thrive. That's pretty much a typical day for me, man. But instead of just talking your head off in this video, like a lot of people would, man, I'm gonna actually just walk you through my typical day. All right, let's get it. What up, Go? What's up, fam, Bamski? Chillin', bruh. Lil Go. Chillin', man. What y'all got going, man? Y'all just come from the crib?
Yeah, man.
I just wanted to get you coming in through the vlog and get you in the stew, let the people see you work, let them see me work, man. Answering a few questions, though, for the vlog, bro.
Yeah, man, you said what's happening?
All right, bro. So how long you been making music, man?
Probably like 10 or so years, man. I started when I was like 16.
10, okay. How long you been like taking it seriously?
Serious, like the last 2 years, bro.
2 years, bro. So you
better have for 1 year and a half, probably. Man.
Yeah, you full time, part time, like what you doing?
Man, I went full time like about 2 months ago. You know what I'm saying? So we're going at it for 2018, trying to take over this thing, man.
I feel you, bro. I see you working and we working. We got some stuff together and got the show coming up next month. You ready, bro?
Yeah, killing it. You know, we gonna kill that shit out.
But yeah, like what you say is like the hardest part about being an artist, independent artist.
Man, exposure.
So basically just getting your music out there.
Man, not the music. Getting the music out there isn't that bad. It's like shows and stuff, man. You know what I mean? Like,
so getting your music in front of people.
Yeah, exactly.
I feel you, bro. So what you looking to work on today?
Probably finish up that rubbing off the paint or whatever, and add a couple other beats we're gonna check out, bro.
Bet, bro. Well, let's not wait. Let's get in the stew real quick.
Cool.
That's what I thought you said. Now let me offer this as a rebuttal.
3. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Ooh. Look, Shout out Johnny K, look, you know that's my amigo. Might take a trip to Mexico with bodies just bilingual. She know I got the juicy poppin' like a desert eagle. The way she put it in the air, I feel like Benny Siegel.
I'm like, whoa, you don't even know. I like how she blow. Stack my money up, hella top. Your chick gonna go. Levels to the shit, headed to the top. And you a stepping stone. You was just a bitch. You ain't shit. You was just a clown.
Homie, you don't know me. 501, that's where I'm from. I reside in 479, homie. That's my second home. Don't make me call Johnny K. He get busy with the crumb. Your girlfriend love my home.
What's going on, y'all? I'm on my way to the radio station out here, Kissing WA in Fayetteville, Arkansas. They're about to take my commercial and get a few spins on that, man. So I'm really excited to promote my new single, "'Tis the Season." I'm pushing it really hard because I feel like it's a really dope, universal type track, man. I'll leave the link to that song down low in the description if y'all want to check it out. It's on Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, pretty much all music distribution platforms, man, if you want to check that out. Yeah, it's all about networking, man. Finding those stations that are willing to play your music and also willing to work with you for a budget, man. While I'm up here, you know, like I said, being all about networking, man, I got a show coming up January 14th. And with that show, man, I got some tickets to sell, and they usually been pretty supportive of me and all the independent artists out here. So hopefully I can sell those cast members a few tickets, man, to recoup from that slot. So, yeah, man, I appreciate y'all tuning in. I hope you take some good tips. If you're an artist yourself, man, drop some things that you do. Help the next person out. You know what I mean? That's what it's all about as an independent artist. Taking those gems from other people and then seeing how they work and seeing what works for them and trying things and seeing what works out for you, man.